Failing to sync your Apple Devices app or iTunes on Windows 11 is usually caused by corrupt background drivers or frozen sync services. You can fix Apple Devices app and iTunes sync failed on Windows 11 immediately by restarting the core background process. Open your Task Manager, find Apple Mobile Device Service, and click Restart to clear out stuck system memory. If the sync failure persists, the application package files might be corrupt, which leads to our second method. Head into your Windows settings, locate the Apple Devices app under Installed Apps, click Advanced Options, and run a full repair to restore missing execution files. If that still does not trigger a successful sync connection, driver communication barriers are likely locking your USB ports. Open Device Manager, expand the Universal Serial Bus Controller tree, right-click your Apple USB driver, and select Update Driver to re-establish secure data handshakes between hardware layers. Finally, if you need a complete system workaround, open your Services console, locate Apple Mobile Device Service, set the startup type to Automatic, and force a fresh system start to lock in permanent background syncing stability across all connected devices.